See, today we are going to start with this sum, question number 4. We have started yesterday with chapter leverages. So let us begin with this sum number 4. See, calculate operating leverage and financial leverage under situation 1 and 2 and financial plans A and B respectively from the following information relating to the operations and capital structure of the company. What are the combinations of operating and financial leverage which gives highest and least value? ये क्वेश्चन है उस दिन की तरह पूछा है. Combination of operating leverage constitute risky situation and ideal situation. Okay. So next you have installed capacity 20,000 units, but actual production and sales is 50% of installed capacity. See, our installed capacity, we can produce and manufacture how many units? 2,000 units. But actually, actual production is done up to 50% of the installed capacity. Okay. So we have to go according to actual production. Selling price per unit is given. Variable cost per unit is also given. Fixed cost is divided into two parts. Under situation 1, 4,000 and in situation 2, it is 5,000. And one more thing we have in the question is capital structure. That means in capital structure, there are two things, equity and debt. There are two things that are given, equity and debt. It is divided again into two different criteria, financial plan A and financial plan B. Okay, so see equity. Equity is financial plan A 5,000 and in financial plan B is 15,000. And debt, in the bracket it is written cost of debt is 10%. That means interest rate. For you it is cost, but for the debenture holders, for the debt holders, it is interest. So 10% is interest ka rate. And in financial plan A it is 15,000 and in financial plan B it is 5,000 and the total capital employed is 20,000. Is it clear with the question part? Anything that you did not understand?
What you said, ma'am, now that was not understand to me.
I was just reading out the question. Now let us begin. If you don't understand anything, I will explain you. This is
Okay,
just
ma'am.
this is just a partition of capital structure into two parts, financial plan A and financial plan B. That's it. Equity is given according to plan A and plan B. You can go, see, option has to be chosen. No, you need to choose the option whether to take plan A or plan B and whether to choose situation 1 or situation 2. Okay, you need to choose the answer. So after we complete and we will see which is the best situation for us. Okay, so now we will begin with the solution part. See how lines has to be drawn the same way, or as if you want I will tell you here. See, wait, I'll tell you how lines has to be drawn. ऊपर से आप लिखेंगे इनकम स्टेटमेंट, ये लिखकर फिर आप देखो कितने कॉलम्स बनाने हैं आपको. एक आपका पर्टिकुलर्स का कॉलम होगा, ठीक है. ये क्या हो रहा है, इसके अंदर क्यों जा रही है, ठीक है, चलो कोई नहीं. एक आपका पर्टिकुलर्स का कॉलम होगा, ओके. एक कॉलम होगा आपका सिचुएशन 1 का और एक कॉलम होगा आपका सिचुएशन 2 का, ठीक है ना. लेकिन अगर आपका ध्यान है तो सिचुएशन 1 में भी तो 2 पार्ट्स है ना, तो आपको पार्टीशन करनी पड़ेगी सिचुएशन 1 एंड सिचुएशन 2 की भी। देखो मैंने कैसे किया पार्टीशन, समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो 2 पार्टीशन करने के लिए आपको ऐसे लाइंस ड्रॉ करनी पड़ेंगी। अभी देखो हम लोग लिखेंगे कैसे इसके अंदर, वेट, see, this is my particulars, okay, and this is situation 1. Situation 1. Okay, and this is situation 2. Now, in situation 1, you have financial plan A. Financial plan A and also B. So in situation 1, you have financial plan A and B. Similarly, in situation 2, you have financial plan A and B. Now again you have to make partition. Wait, huh? Again you have to make partitions. Why? Because per unit column and amount column has to be drawn separately. Per unit column and amount column has to be drawn separately. So here per unit column will be made. First column will be per unit and then you will make amount column. Again per unit and then again amount. See, this is how you are going to make. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, make it. I'm waiting for you. Make it. This is how you have to make. And on the topmost part, you can write income statement. Done, everybody?
Done, ma'am.
Are you guys done with the columns?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so let's quickly start with what we start with, sales. So we will write here in particular sales. Write down sales and look at the question now. Tell me, first of all, what is installed capacity? 2000. What is actual production and sales? 50% of installed capacity. So here you will write bracket 1000 units. And it will be same for uh, all the situation. I mean all the plans and all the situations. Write down. 1000 units. How 1000? Actually 2000 are given, no? So why are you writing 1000 units? Can anybody tell me?
Actually,
Actual
50%
production
of
and sale
actual
50%.
capacity.
Very good.
50% of installed capacity.
Hmm. So install
तो इसके
capacity
लिए
is
10,000.
2000. So 2000 ka 50% is 1000. Okay. Now, selling price per unit is 20. Selling price per unit is 20. See, they are not saying 20 is for 20 is for financial plan A and 20 is for financial plan B. They are not saying anything as such. So it will be same for every plan and situation. It will be same for every plan and situation. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay. Now, can anyone tell me how to find out the amount column of sales?
Multiply by
20
units. 20
units.
into
1000
1000.
units.
Very good. 20 into 1000. So how much it would be?
20,000.
Very good.
20,000.
Here it would be
20,000.
same 20,000.
Same
Why?
आएगा
Because,
same.
why?
Because
Same
units
unit
and
है
per
और
units
same per
both are
unit
same.
both are
Very
same.
good. Units and per unit both are same. Very good. Okay. So here also 20,000. Same 20,000 here in situation 1 for both the plans and in situation 2 for both the plans. Okay. So sales is done. Now after sales we have what we have
Less
after
variable
sale?
cost.
Very good.
Variable cost.
Less.
Less variable cost.
Variable cost.
So what is per unit of variable cost? Is it given in the question? Yes,
Yes,
definitely
ma'am.
it will
10
be
per
in the
unit.
question. Variable cost per unit is 10. Very good. So it is 10
10.
per unit for every situation and plan because they are not disclosing anything. So variable cost 10 per unit will be same.
Bracket में आएगा.
Yes, bracket में आएगा. But what? How we will find the amount? The
10 into 1000 units.
very good. 10 into 1000 units. So 10 into 1000 units is 10,000.
10,000.
10,000.
Yes. पता नहीं क्यों ऐसे रुक रही है अलाइनमेंट इसकी सेम नहीं रुक रही है ठीक है मैं एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर देती हूँ बीच में या फिर वेट फॉर अ मिनट हाँ you can do it write variable cost 10 per unit everywhere and after that amount will be found out with the help of number of units which are given here. So everywhere you will see variable cost will be 10,000 only. Variable cost will be 10,000 only. Okay. Now, after deducting variable cost, what will you get?
Contribution.
Contribution. Very
Contribution.
good. You have to put all these 10,000 figures into bracket. Okay. All these 10,000 will be put in bracket. Okay. Now, you will get contribution here. Contribution. How much will be your contribution?
10,000 सब में same
10,000
आएगा.
same.
सब में सेम आएगा 10,000. And what is how to find the CPU of per unit of 10,000? How to find per unit of 10,000?
Divide by
Amount
unit.
divided by
1,000.
units.
By unit.
Very good.
Yeah.
So 10,000 divided by 1,000. Okay. So now we
So
will.
per unit 1 आएगा ना मैम?
हाँ. Per
No,
unit में
sorry.
10 per unit. क्या
हाँ.
पूछ रहे हो आप? मुझे समझा नहीं.
नहीं मैम, मेरा कुछ मिस्टेक था, इसके लिए मैं
अच्छा.
शांत हूँ.
ओके. सो 10 पर यूनिट कैसे कैलकुलेट किया? जो अमाउंट है उसको नंबर ऑफ यूनिट से डिवाइड करना है. सो 10,000 डिवाइड बाय 1,000. सिंपल. Okay. Tell me, after contribution, what is the next step?
Less
Less
fixed cost.
fixed cost.
Is it given in the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is the problem? It is given according to situations. So I have two situations. In situation 1, I have two plans, A and B. But they are not saying according to plans, go according to plans. No. They are saying that you have to go according to situations. So situation number 1, 4,000, and situation number 5, second 5,000. Look at the situation. Now this is my situation. I have two plans, plan A and plan B. So whatever plan is there, it is 4,000 only. Sorry, this is per unit ka calling. It will be 4,000 only.
समझा मैम.
समझा ना? Okay. Now, same will be for
Yes.
plan 2. Because plan 2 हो, sorry, plan B हो या plan A हो, है तो वो situation 1 ना. अब situation 2 में आएंगे तो कितना लिखेंगे?
सिचुएशन 2 में आएंगे तो 5,000 लिखेंगे
5,000.
ब्रैकेट में.
क्यों 5,000
प्लान ए और
लिखेंगे?
प्लान बी दोनों में.
क्यों
क्योंकि
5,000?
उन्होंने
सिचुएशन
बोला है.
2 लिखा है,
बोला है.
हाँ, वेरी
तो
गुड.
लिखा है.
और
प्लान के
चाहे
बारे में नहीं
प्लान,
लिखा है.
हाँ, चाहे प्लान 1 हो चाहे प्लान 2 हो, हमारा हमको
प्लान बी,
सिचुएशन को देखना
प्लान
है.
ए.
और ये आपको सारे
Yes,
फिगर्स
ma'am.
ब्रैकेट में डालने. ओके. सो व्हाट इज योर आंसर नाउ? EBIT मिलेगा.
6,000 is situation 1.
6,000.
Yeah.
6,000. 6,000.
And
6,000 in
5,000,
situation
5,000.
1
Here is
and
yeah.
5,000 in
5,000.
situation.
5,000 in situation
5,000. 5,000.
2.
How to find per unit?
अमाउंट डिवाइड बाय
Divide by
नंबर ऑफ यूनिट
10
1000.
So
unit
6,000 divided by
10,000. Yeah,
1,000.
1,000.
6,000 divided
Yeah.
by 1,000. 6 per unit. And 5,000 divided by 1,000, it would be 5 per unit.
5.
Same with this fixed cost. Same with this fixed cost. 4,000 divided by 1,000 is 4 per unit. And 5,000 divided by 1,000 is, it is 5 per
5.
unit. 5 per unit. Okay. After EBIT, what will I do?
Less
Less
interest.
interest.
Very good. Less interest. Less interest. Okay. How will I find interest? Can somebody tell me? It is not directly given in the question. But capital structure
Cost
is
of
given.
debt 10%.
Borrowed funds are
डेट के
given,
साथ
yes.
दिया है मैम. Yes.
Borrowed. See, financial plan A and B के सेग्रीगेशन में दिया हुआ है. अब है ना, सेग्रीगेशन कैसे की हुई है? फाइनेंशियल प्लान ए का डेट कितना है? 15,000. और फाइनेंशियल प्लान बी का डेट कितना है? 5,000. सो 15,000 का 10% विल बी 1,500 फॉर प्लान ए.
A. Yes.
तो 15,000 का सी व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. यहाँ पर आपको प्लान ए का ब्रैकेट बनाना है 15,000 into 10% and bracket close. Similarly for plan B. For plan B you have to make a bracket. Tell me what will be the bracket? The bracket will
5,000
be
into
5,000
10%.
into
5,000
10%.
see
10%.
financial plan B you have 5,000. So 5,000 into 10%. 5,000 into 10 percentage and then bracket close. Okay. Let me do one thing. Let me bring this problem at one page. Okay. Now it will be clear how to write down. A का ब्रैकेट बनाना है आपको A के साथ, B का ब्रैकेट B के साथ. ठीक है. अब आपको A का फिगर A में लिखना है. मुझे बताएंगे A का कितना आ रहा है? 15,000 का 10%.
1,500.
1,500.
एंड हम आ गए B पे. ये B का कॉलम है. आप देखो
500.
ये B का
500.
कॉलम है. ये जो फाइनेंशियल प्लान B का अमाउंट है इसमें कितना लिखेंगे?
500.
500 only. Okay. So this 500
Yes.
will be copied down to plan B of situation 2. देखो चाहे
Yes.
सिचुएशन 2 है पर है तो वो फाइनेंशियल प्लान बी ना.
Yes,
और वो
ma'am.
चाहे सिचुएशन 2 है लेकिन है तो फाइनेंशियल प्लान ए. तो फाइनेंशियल प्लान ए का डेट कितना है? 15,000. 10% ऑफ 15,000. सो इट विल बी 1,500.
1,500.
Yes. So it is 1,500 and 500. Again 1,500 and 500. How will you calculate rate? 1,500 divided by 1,000.
1.50.
1.50. And 500 divided by 1,000 is
0.50.
0.50. Okay. Is it clear this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
these all amounts will have to be deducted. So you will put all these amounts into bracket. Not per unit, but only amounts column will be put into brackets. Now, can you tell me now what will be your...
4,500.
No, what will I get?
4,500.
What will I get?
EBT.
EBT.
Yes. So in the first situation for plan A, what is your EBIT?
4,500 and
How did you
500.
find 4,500?
6,000 minus 1,500.
Very good.
EBIT less interest.
Very good. So EBIT less interest. 6,000 minus 500 in plan situation 1 plan B. So it would be 5,500. And next 5,000 minus 1,500. The answer would be,
3,500.
and the last plan B of situation 2. 5,000 minus 500.
4,500.
Very good. So similarly you have to calculate per unit column also. So tell me what will be the per unit?
4.5.
And for 5,500?
5.5.
For 3,500? 3.5. And for
3.5.
4,500? 4.5.
4.5.
With what amount you are dividing and calculating per unit?
1,000
Very good.
by
These are the,
1,000
yes,
units.
these are the 1,000 units that you have to divide with. Okay. Is it clear, everybody, up to here?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So let me come to the next row. EBT. After EBT, we have less tax.
Less
We
tax.
have tax here.
I think so, no, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
we don't have. So right away you can calculate the formulas. Now always remember, if you have more than one product or more than one situation, always remember in the table only it is feasible to calculate the formulas. It is very easy when you calculate the formulas in the table. So DUL is equals to contribution upon EBIT.
EBIT.
This is my first formula. Okay. Write down the formula just the way I have written. Yes, contribution upon EBIT. So can you tell me for plan A, we are standing in situation 1 plan A. What is contribution for plan A?
10,000.
Very good.
10,000.
So what will you do here? Look at my screen.
10,000.
Look at the screen. It would be 10,000 in the amount column. Now nothing has to be done in the per unit column. Everything you have to do in amounts column. 10,000 divided by. So divided by EBIT. What is EBIT?
4,000. 6,000.
6,000.
6,000.
So you have to
6,000.
put equals to. See the way I am doing. Look at the screen. You will get to know that. See equals to करके and then come to the next line there only and tell me the answer. 10 by 6.
1.67.
1.67. Okay. So same way this DOL has to be calculated for plan B. Tell me for plan B what is
1.6.
contribution
10,000.
10,000.
divided by what is
10,000.
EBIT?
6,000.
Very
6,000.
good. So I think
6,000.
answer will be same.
Yes.
Same.
Yes, ma'am.
1.67.
1.67. Okay, very good. Now come to plan A of situation 2. What is contribution?
10,000.
10,000.
10,000.
Divided by what is
10,000.
EBIT?
5,000.
5,000.
Yes, now the
5,000.
answer will be
5,000.
changed.
2.
Now the answer will be
2.00.
changed.
Answer will be 2.
Okay. The answer will be 2.00.
2.
2.00. Similarly, for plan B, you have contribution 10,000 and you have EBIT 5,000. So I think it would be same.
Answer 2.
Same.
Same for plan.
2.00.
Same
Yes,
for
ma'am.
plan B.
B.
Plan B.
Yes. Is it clear, everybody now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So same way you have to calculate for DFL. Now this will be the formula of DFL. What is the formula of DFL?
EBIT.
EBIT divided by EBT.
Very good. EBIT divided by EBT. Okay. So same way you have to do. Tell me, what is the EBIT of plan 1, plan A?
6,000.
Similarly, what is EBIT for plan A? What is EBIT? You can see here. EBIT is 4,000. Sorry, not EBIT, EBT. EBT is 4,500. So here you will write 4,500 is equals to, tell me the answer.
1.33.
1.33.
1.33.
Okay. Now, what is EBIT for plan B?
6,000.
Very good. 6,000 divided by what is EBT?
5,500.
Very good. 5,500. Please look here. EBT is changed. EBT is not 4,500 same. It is not same. It is changed. So what will be the answer? You will find a changed answer.
1.09.
1.09.
1.09. 1.09.
1.09.
09. Yes.
Okay. So what is for situation 2, plan A, what is EBIT
5,000.
divided by what is EBT?
3,500.
So what is your answer by dividing them?
1.43.
1.43. And similarly, you have to do it for plan B, situation
Plan
2.
B.
What is EBIT?
5,400.
5,000 divided by?
4,500. Answer is 1.11.
Very good. 1.11. So this is the way that you have to solve. And similarly, you have to do it for DCL.
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 So you will write here DCL is equals to formula also in the
Contribution
particulars
upon
only.
EBT.
Contribution EBT.
Yes, very good. So it is contribution upon EBT. Contribution upon EBT. So do it. Tell me what is contribution for plan A.
10,000 divided by
10,000.
4,500.
10,000. Please repeat again. Divided by what?
4,500.
4,500 is your EBT. So what is your answer?
Yes. 2.22.
2.22. Okay, next. Next is
10,000 divided by 5,500.
wait. Yes. So repeat again. 10,000 is your contribution for plan 2 divided by 5,500 is
5,500.
your this what to say
EBT.
EBT. So what is your
So
answer?
1.8. 1.82.
1.81.
1.81. Okay. 1.82. Okay. Next.
Yeah.
What is contribution? 10,000
10,000.
divided by what is EBT? 3,500. So what is your answer? Come on
3,500.
quickly.
2.86.
2.86.
2.86. And the last one is contribution 10,000
Divided by
divided by
4,500.
4,500.
4,500.
So answer will be
4,500.
2.22.
2.22.
2.22.
22.
So this
2.8.
is the way you have to solve. Is it clear, everybody? Any
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
doubts?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, you can highlight these answers by putting them
Done,
into,
ma'am.
you can highlight these answers by putting them into box. Okay, you can highlight these answers just the way I'm doing, but you cannot bold them.